When listening to the heart, start by palpating for the apex beat at the left axilla. Listen to both sides of the thorax for at least 10 to 15 seconds to get a good idea of heart rate, rhythm, and sounds. Purring can make this difficult, so keep that in mind while doing your cardiac auscultation. Normal heart rate in a relaxed cat is 120 to 140 and 140 to 200 in a stressed cat. The majority of cats we see are stressed when they come to the vets. Kent's heart rate is 148, which we took earlier. When listening for respiratory sounds, listen in two areas, both dorsally and ventrally. It's normal to hear not very much noise when auscultating the lungs. Next, we'll move on to abdominal palpation. This is best when the cat is sitting up, as you can get a better feel. Use gentle pressure. Abdominal wall is thinner in a cat than a dog, so we have to be careful. Many cats won't like this